Looking for car speakers that bring your music to life with clear, powerful sound? The Hifonics Zeus series offers just that, premium audio quality designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle. Whether you're upgrading your factory dash or replacing worn-out speakers, these 4x6-inch coaxial speakers promise an impressive listening experience that won't take up extra space. What sets Zeus speakers apart? It starts with the Neo-Mylar soft dome tweeters, engineered for impact resistance and delivering crisp, high-frequency sounds. These tweeters, combined with alpha-cellulose polypropylene cones, produce rich mid-range and deep bass tones that make every song feel vibrant. Plus, the lightweight yet durable materials minimize distortion, so your music stays clean and powerful even at higher volumes. Durability is built into every component. The Zeus speakers feature a smart cooling system that lets air flow over the voice coil, preventing overheating during long listening sessions. The Kapton tweeter surround helps dissipate heat, ensuring your speakers last through countless drives. Add to that moisture-resistant rubber surrounds and high-temperature adhesives, and you get a speaker that holds up to harsh weather without sacrificing sound quality. One of the biggest benefits? These speakers are designed to fit nearly any vehicle without the need for bulky grills. That means you get a sleek, factory-style installation that saves space while delivering high-quality audio. If you're tired of speakers that don't quite hit the mark, Zeus offers a reliable upgrade that balances performance and practicality. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your car's sound system without fuss. These speakers handle clear highs and mid-range well, though some users note the bass is lighter than expected for a two-way design. Still, for drivers who prioritize crisp vocals and clean instrumentals, the Zeus series delivers consistent quality that's hard to beat in this price range. If that's you, someone ready to enhance their ride with dependable, clear sound, Hifonics Zeus speakers are a solid choice. They combine thoughtful engineering, durable materials, and easy installation to bring out the best in your music. Try them when you're ready to experience what your car audio system can really do.